Welcome everyone. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Kathy and I'm glad you're here. Today I wanted to show you how to do a Lilla Rose swerve that is very quick and easy for a summer hairstyle. Alright, so today I just got out of the shower and I'm going to just turn around so that you can see what a swerve is and how it looks in hair. So this swerve has a decorated, decorated top. All right, and it's super quick and easy for summer. So I just got out of the shower, so my hair is still a little bit damp. Now can you see some waves? I've had that in for about 5 minutes tops. So this is a great tool if you're looking to get like beachy waves later. You can put it in when your hair is damp, and then when you take it out later, you'll have these really nice loose waves. And my hair is very, very poker straight. It's hard to get any wave out of my hair at all. But this is a great tool for doing that. So I want to show you just what I do to get the swerve in. So make a ponytail, depending on where you want your bun to end up. If you want it up high, grab your hair up high on your head. And then I will just twist. See if I'm still, yeah. Just twist. Come around, and I can actually just twist it up on my head. Do you see what I'm doing there? Just like that. Just tuck your ends in. You can loosen it up if you want to. Okay, so what I'm going to do is you put it in kind of upside down and backwards. So I'm going to want this pretty part to be sitting on top of my head. So if you catch that twist with it upside down, and you're going to point toward your face, catch hair at your scalp and come through the bottom. So you see how I came through the bottom of the bun? And that is all it takes. So that is my swerve style for the day. That will last me all day. It does not give me a hair headache. I can pull some hair to loosen it. Doesn't give me a hair headache. I have little bitsy baby hairs that I will spray down, and that's it. That's my quick and easy summer hairstyle for the day. So stay tuned to my channel for more quick and easy hairstyles and more Lilla Rose products that you do not want to live without. All right, thanks for joining me. If you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe, press the button below, plus press that bell so that you get all of the new videos that I upload. All right, I don't want you to miss anything. Talk to you later. Bye.